quick little 80% change out here. Took out 100, putting in a 90. How come you're not following that edge down there?
Huh? Because it's too thick of metal or something. I don't know.
Look at this. They poured the slab right up against the furnace in the middle of winter here. It looks like. Middle of COVID here. There's an interesting picture right there. Face masks in the laundry. Yeah. We just showed up. We got to go to scrapyard this afternoon. Had a physical this morning. We're hoping to be done here by 2. We just got here at 11, 12, 1, 2. Was it 11? No, we were here a lot later than that, weren't we? Anyway. We had a 20-inch filter here, so we put a base under this 90. I wouldn't usually do a base under a 90 unless we had a 4-inch filter, which we do. So we're going to utilize that whole media. And put it back on. I'm going to go out and see what size the air is so we can set the fan speed. See, Corey should have made that pass his first time through there.
Yeah, but those snips were...
Oh, you got junk snips? Yeah. We got these S-slip screwed on here. Should be perfect to go into that air cleaner. He's putting his pads on the bottom of the furnace. Those 4 pads are going to rest on the 4 corners of this slab right here, and that's going to slam right onto the air cleaner over there. Coil is clean, somewhat. And what else do we got? We got our S-slip score on here. That's going to set down on the new furnace. Rails are in there. It's pitched properly. Well, when we tip it, the water comes out. That's about where it's going to be right there. And what else do we need? One more S-slip for the front rail. AC, we got a 2.5 ton unit here. So you set the fan speed accordingly. Looks like someone needs to hose this guy off. She is plugged about halfway. Looks like a correctional institute there. What a nice chunk of land. It's going downhill right there, so we're going to pull that apart and drop this hanger a little bit and get that going uphill like it should. We got to turn the gas valve back on. You got the plug in there? Temp rise is 55 on a 40 to 70. Perfect. Finally got the furnace level. It was a mess. And fix that chimney for the water heater. That T looks crooked, so we should fix that. That's what she looks like. All done. Beautiful. Heat shields for the drain. Insulation on the line set. Canvas. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but I am now. That's all you got?
That was funny.
You need to go back in there and get another plate.
She just wanted a bite. She just wanted a bite. Where is Dan? He said he's taking a shower like.
Dinner time. That big male.